As a parent, you know that math is an essential subject for your child's education, but it can be challenging to get them interested in it. However, with a little creativity, you can make math fun and exciting for your children. Tip number 1 is to make math fun. Incorporate games, puzzles, and other enjoyable activities that involve math. For example, you could play a game of math bingo or use Legos to teach your child about shapes and measurements. This will help your children see math as a fun and interesting subject rather than just a series of equations to be memorized. Tip number 2 is to relate math to real-life situations. Show your children how math is used in everyday life. For example, you could point out how math is used in cooking, shopping, or even in video games. This will help your children understand the practical applications of math and how it is relevant to their lives. Tip number 3 is to provide positive feedback. Encourage your children to keep trying and praise their efforts. This will help them build confidence and enjoy the process of learning math. Celebrate their successes, no matter how small, and let them know that their hard work is appreciated. Tip number 4 is to start early. Introduce your children to math at a young age. Even simple games like counting or sorting objects can help them develop a strong foundation in math. This will make it easier for them to understand more complex concepts as they grow older. Tip number 5 is to make math relevant to your child's interests. Show your children how math is relevant to their hobbies and interests. For example, if your child loves music, you could teach them about fractions and how they relate to rhythm. This will make math more interesting and engaging for them. Tip number 6 is to use technology. There are many math-related apps and games that can help make learning math more interactive and engaging for your children. You could also use online tutorials and videos to supplement your child's learning. And finally, tip number 7 is to be patient. Learning math takes time and effort. Be patient with your children and encourage them to keep trying even when they find it challenging. With your support and encouragement, your children will develop a love for math that will last a lifetime. So, those are my tips on how to make your children love mathematics. I hope you found them helpful. Let me know in the comments which tip you found the most useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more parenting tips and advice. Thanks for watching.